Yeah. All for one. The team. Here we go. I saw you yesterday, and you tried to not see me, but as our eyes said hello, I wondered if we'd ever be close. She playing games with me, telling me you're feeling me. I just want to believe you're down with me, but I can't let myself be so naive. And what's it gonna take to make you serious? Is it love? Is it trust? Baby, won't you take a chance on us? How can I make you feel just the way I do? I keep giving you the signs, but you gotta open up your eyes.
You called me to explain why you couldn't talk to me. You said that you needed space, and now you say that you still want me. Love you want, if it's love you need.
That we could be everything you want
And everything that you need, girl, open up your eyes and you will see.
What's it gonna take to make you serious? Is it love? Is it trust? Baby, won't you take a chance on us?
Take a chance on love.
How can I make you
Feel just the way I do, giving you the signs. Open up your eyes. Girl, I wish that you would just make up your mind.
up your mind?
Cause it seems to me we're running out of time.
Baby, I'm tired of all your alibis, and I wish that you just open up your eyes. What's it gonna take to make you serious? Is it love? Is it trust? Baby, won't you take a chance on us?
Take a chance on us.